Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And like I promised in my last video, we're going to dig deeper into this Teguar, that's how you pronounce it, Teguar tablet. It is the TRT, and I got to read this off the box, TRT-7080-12. So let's take a look at this. We're going to compare it to the tried and true Getac F110 tablet. Wow. So the first thing that I can tell you that I'm comparing is the weight. I noticed that the Teguar is a bit heavier, maybe by half a pound or more than the Getac. Now the reason I'm thinking that is because the screen on this unit is 12.1 inch screen on this tablet. On the Getac tablet, it is 11.1. So you're getting a 1 inch less screen, but then again, you're also getting a lighter type tablet. They both have the ability to take pictures front and rear. So the Getac has a rear camera as well as your front camera, and of course the Teguar has the front and the rear camera as well. The difference, I think, comes whenever we get to the hard drive. So the hard drive, if you notice, is right here, easily replaced, as well as the battery. And again, this is a hot swappable battery. The Getac also has the hot swappable battery, but the hard drive is a little more difficult to get to change out. Upgradeability, yes, you can see right here in the Teguar that you have the ability. This particular unit has the RJ45 jack in its upgrade slot, but the Getac also happens to have the barcode reader in its upgrade slot on this particular model. Now, they both have buttons for the sound and a programmable button to do whatever you wish it to do, as well as the power button. The Teguar has the same type of thing over here. If you take a look, at it, it has the power button, the sound adjustment buttons, and then a Microsoft Windows button, which the Getac has too, but it's down here on the bottom. And of course, the programmable button. Overall, it has this Teguar has more ports than the Getac. The Getac comes with, if I can show you this, there we go. It has a USB and an HDMI port, and the port cover is, believe it or not, the same basic quality as the Teguar, but that's all it has as far as ports. So you end up, well, of course it has a power port as well, but this one has HDMI out, it has your SIM card slot, which the Getac has, is just harder to get to. Then the micro SD, a USB, and then a USB-C port, as well as your power port, which is right here. Overall, this is a great tablet, a great choice if you decide you were looking for something. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys on this comparison. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll dig deeper even more by comparing this to other competitor models of this unit as well. But I'll see you guys next week.